poblano pepper fights cancer and boosts fat loss. That spicy, tingly feeling you get from eating hot peppers like the poblano pepper is more than just delicious, it can help fight cancer, aid your weight loss journey and boost your immune system. The poblano pepper is a delightfully earthy pepper, between the banana pepper and jalapeno in terms of heat. It's the chosen ingredient in the famous chile relleno, who doesn't like that? And has a great number of amazing nutrients in every serving. It's just hot enough to contain the cancer-fighting power of capsaicin without burning your mouth and contains antioxidants that are guaranteed to make your body happy. So, add it to your grocery list, after reading all the benefits it offers, of course. Poblano pepper benefits. 1. Contains cancer-fighting nutrients. Several of the main nutrients found in poblano peppers are known for their roles in the fight against various types of cancers. For example, one poblano pepper contains about 25% of the recommended daily value of vitamin B2, or riboflavin, more than a single egg, which is one of my top 10 highest vitamin B2 foods. Riboflavin has been shown to have a positive effect in preliminary tests with colorectal cancer cells. 1. More generally, riboflavin acts as an antioxidant against cancer cells and is also necessary for the production of gliadothin, which is another anti-cancer antioxidant. Like most peppers, poblanos contain capsaicin, the nutrient that gives peppers their heat. Although it ranks relatively low on the Scoville scale, the poblano pepper does contain a significant amount of capsaicin, which means you reap the benefits of the nutrient to matter scientifically. This is relevant because capsaicin is one of those plant-based substances researchers have been seriously testing for years in connection with potential cancer treatments. So far, the list of cancers capsaicin has been researched in connection with on both humans and animals is along 1, prostate, gastric, breast, primary effusion lymphoma and lung cancer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The amount of capsaicin in poblano peppers is affected by the point in development that they're harvested. There's a sweet spot where the capsaicin production peaks, right before the vegetable over-ripens. That's the perfect time to harvest for the health benefits capsaicin has to offer. 7. Cultivars of peppers like the poblano also seem to have anti-cancer properties against oral cancer. 8. Another method by which the poblano may help fight cancer is by disrupting a process called nitrosation, by which some organic compounds can be converted into carcinogenic molecules. 9. 2. Helps you lose weight. It's not a surprise that a food so low in calories per serving would be a good addition to a diet designed to help you lose weight fast, but a low-calorie count isn't the only thing these peppers have to offer. Again, one winner here is capsaicin. Capsaicin has been associated with a decreased body weight, faster metabolism and appetite suppression in animal studies. 10. It may even be able to aid in preventing obesity, as it showed promise in a study conducted with mice. 11. Peppers like the poblano may also help maintain a healthy lipid profile, which means the concentrations of various substances in your blood. Having a good lipid profile means a lower level of fat and is also indicative of a reduced risk of metabolic diseases related to obesity. 12.3. High in antioxidants. One benefit of poblano peppers that's far-reaching is that of their antioxidant capacity. One pepper contains enough vitamin A to almost cover your daily required intake, and vitamin A is an antioxidant that protects many different parts of the body from damage caused by oxidative stress. Vitamin A is known for its role in protecting the eyes from damage, especially related to age, as well as its ability to keep the skin healthy, slow outward signs of aging and also fight cancer. There are other antioxidants found in poblano peppers, including quercetin. 13. Like vitamin A, quercetin can help keep skin healthy and prevent or slow the growth of cancers. It may also reduce allergy symptoms, increase physical performance and protect your heart from damage. 4. Boosts immunity. Poblano peppers can even help boost the strength of your immune system. Vitamin A has a very significant part in the immune response of the body to everything from the common cold or flu to malaria. 14. Vitamin A regulates the genes related to immune system responses, so consuming a large amount of it is important to maintaining a healthy immune system. 5. Provides pain relief. The nutrients in poblano peppers work together to provide powerful, natural pain relief. Because poblano contains quercetin, it's part of a diet created to reduce inflammatory pain, like that of arthritis, prostate infections and respiratory infections. 15. Capsaicin is also effective in treating various types of pain, including inflammatory responses as well tendon damage and cluster headaches, a rare but incredibly painful headache condition. Along with capsaicin, vitamin B2 found in poblano pepper can also serve as a natural headache remedy, while the potassium it contains is part of preventing cramping pain from muscle strain and even PMS. 6. May aid in preventing and treating diabetes. As noted earlier, poblano peppers have a great nutritional profile for only a few calories. They also help improve lipid profile and may serve in preventing metabolic disorders associated with obesity, one of which is diabetes. Capsaicin in poblano peppers also has an impact on diabetes-related factors, improving the insulin response and post-meal blood sugar changes in diabetic patients. 16.7. Reduces inflammation. Did you know that inflammation is at the root of most diseases? That's why Western culture sees such a high rate of common and preventable diseases. We often fill our diets with foods like processed sugars and grains that are known to cause inflammation rather than prevent it. Peppers reduce chronic inflammation because of the presence of antioxidants specifically targeting inflammation, such as quercetin and vitamin A. Quercetin is already currently prescribed to patients for inflammatory conditions, including certain heart problems, allergies, gout, prostate infections, skin disorders and various others. Vitamin A also reduces overall inflammation in the body and is associated with a decreased risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation. 8. Keeps your eyes healthy. A common feature of antioxidants is their ability to protect the health of your eyes, and don't forget, you only get one set. Vitamin B2 has been known to help prevent eye diseases like glaucoma, cataracts and keratoconus. 17. On the other hand, vitamin A has been connected with a lowered risk of macular degeneration as well as a treatment for dry eyes. It's even a potential preventative or treatment measure for a rare eye disease known as Stargardt's disease that can cause severe vision loss in the young, a form of macular degeneration. 18. Poblano pepper nutrition facts. The poblano pepper is one of about 27 varieties of peppers, all belonging to the capsicum family, although only half of them are commonly eaten by people. Occasionally, it's referred to by its specific name, Capsicum poblano L. As nutrition goes, poblano peppers are a pretty jackpot item, especially for something that tends to be the shell or add-on to dishes rather than a main dish. Just one medium-sized pepper, around 4.5 inches long and 2 to 3 inches wide, contains almost 3/4 of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A and 1/4 of the vitamin B2 you should consume every day. 1 serving of poblano pepper, 1 pepper, about 17 grams, contains about 1948 calories. 8.7 grams carbohydrates. 2 grams protein. 1.4 grams fat. 3.7 grams fiber. 3,474 of vitamin A, 70% DV. 0.38 mg vitamin B2, 23% DV. 410 mg potassium, 12% DV. 1.86 mg iron, 10.3% DV. 0.6 mg vitamin B6, 10% DV. 1.09 mg vitamin B3, 5.4% DV. 19.2 mg magnesium, 4.8% DV. 0.09 mg copper, 4.3% DV. 34.2 mg phosphorus, 3.4% DV. 0.34 mg vitamin B5/pantothenic acid, 3.4% DV. 11.7 micrograms folate, 2.9% DV. Poblano pepper versus serrano pepper versus bell pepper. When discussing different peppers, it's important to know the benefits of various kinds and the unique nutrients they may offer. Two peppers often compared to the poblano pepper are the bell pepper and serrano pepper. What do they have in common? First, let's look at the commonalities between these three types of peppers. All three contain high levels of antioxidants, leading to all providing some protection against heart disease, eye disease, cancer, and skin disorders and diseases. Bell peppers, serrano peppers and poblano peppers also help boost the performance of your immune system through various avenues. Interestingly, though, they don't all do this with the same nutrients. All three of these peppers, and, indeed, all pepper varieties, also aid in weight loss and support a diet for healthy metabolism. What's different about them? The most noticeable difference between these three cultivars of pepper is their heat levels. Bell peppers contain no capsaicin and, therefore, are not spicy, although they're delicious. The poblano pepper finds itself right in the middle of the list, ranking between 1000 to 1500 on the Scoville scale. For an example of how to compare this, the ranking means poblanos are marginally hotter than a hot banana pepper and about 3 to 5 times less spicy than a jalapeno. The serrano pepper, on the other hand, ranges anywhere from 5 to 25 times hotter than poblano peppers. The smaller the veggie, the hotter it is. Since the bell pepper contains no capsaicin, the benefits provided from serrano and poblano peppers related to this nutrient don't necessarily exist in bell peppers. But this doesn't mean they're less healthy by any means. In fact, bell peppers contain 253% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C, which also helps